Let me set everyone's characters. Hello, Wingcat Man. Welcome to the stream. Oh, he's blue, Metal Mario. Gosh, I'm so tempted that you could get like close to the screen, but I don't think you can quite get there with this wind. We're just letting this sail. See where it goes. Decent enough. Oh, he's running it up. Nah, I'm going big. Watch me score worse than with Yoshi, though. That'll be funny. Oh, he got the accuracy, but I think it's too far. Unfortunate. All right. Close enough. Just want to get it on the green there.
Nice heart. Nice birdie. Yes.
All right. Off to a solid start. No wind here, which is good. Just eked out into the semi-rough. Nice, just hugging the fairway.
Too bad.
Still got there.
Nice on.
Probably going to be a bit quieter this finals because I'm trying to concentrate. With Metal Mario, you don't really have as much room for error. Is this going too far? Bruh, you're kidding me.
Nice on.
right. Think I got it. Nice. I think it'll all come down to pretty much the par fives and maybe holes in like 9 where you can drive it with good wind. But we'll see.
Nice par.
I'm gonna need the putting game to be on point. Oh my god, this wind. Oh no. Way short.
Too bad.
I went 1 notch longer than I would have wanted to there just because I didn't want to be short. Yeah, that's as close as reasonable. Yeah, this is Mario Golf for the Nintendo 64. The first one. It's by the same company and stuff, so yeah, they're very similar games. Also, yeah, nice RNG to start. Though in Mario Golf 64, there's just a bunch of humans in this game for some reason. They had to pad out the character roster. Oh, you want to commentate? I kind of have to. I have to get that all set up. Maybe next tournament though. Sorry, we're. I didn't know. Please get there. No. Shoot.
Nice approach.
Thank you, GoldenEye.
Nice par.
I think we're all making par here, so I guess par is not a big deal.
Nice par.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to expect birdie with the crazy wind that we got.
Nice par.
All right. Got the marks, which is good. This should carry. Oh, no, not quite. That's a fairly easy shot, though, from the rough. Uh-oh. I'll say burned all their power shots. Rip. Yeah, we all overplayed the wind, I think. Wow, his came up short. Okay, I gotta add a ton to this, I think. I needed the perfect accuracy. Rip. more power than that too.
Nice on.
So Phantom and Justase have reasonable shots at Eagle here. Just hung it out. Think this one's good. All right. So he's going to be back within one of us, presumably. Please just give us, like, decent RNG on this hole. That's debatable whether it's decent or not, to say the least. He managed to find the fairway. All right. I don't care as long as this might bounce off the rock favorably. Yeah, we're good. Imagine actually being in game for this. Rip.
Too bad.
I think if I can just get this on the green, I'll be at an advantage here. Because, yeah, the RNG on this hole is kind of brutal.
Too bad.
Man, oh man. In? Wow, nice. Yeah, hopefully we can start playing again soon, GoldenEye. It has indeed been a while. I should be free tonight if you want. All right. So Phantom's up one, but it's by no means over. And oh my god, this wind. Well, if y'all wanted a US Open to your course setup, you got one. This is... Also, that was a crazy shot by Phantom. Yeah, even getting this on the green is good, to say the least.
Too bad.
Miss hit intentionally. Hope that still carries. Yeah, we're good.
Nice on.
Cutting from the bunker. Let's see how it works out. No, that honestly. Did we get it? Yes. All right, staying in it. And Phantom's got a not easy putt here either. I think he's. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Nice par.
All right, me and Phantom. 3 holes left, including a par 5 and a reachable par 4.
Nice par.
Watch this be like 21-mile-an-hour wind. Holy crap, dude. Not 21, but not much better. Gotta be careful here. I didn't get all the way under that because it might have actually flown too far. And this still might fly too far. Okay, we're good. This is actually okay wind for this hole. Tailwind is not too bad. This is perfectly placed. It's going to be an awkward lie, yeah, sandwich, but 130 out on a par 5, you can't complain too much. And Phantom and Justase have by no means easy second shots either. Not with this wind. You can always complain, you're just not trying hard enough. True. Wind's taking this one too much. All right, can Phantom stick it close? Oh yeah, that's a good shot. All right. Now it's our turn. DK just yelping right in my backswing there. And that's not good. Please. Come on. Yeah, like, have we gotten any holes like under 10 miles an hour wind yet? I think this is in. Wow. Wow. Ball's going in everywhere. All right. 456 is the leaderboard. I'm pretty glad I went Metal Mario here, honestly, because with the RNG, it would have been absolutely brutal with Yoshi. Will this carry? Yes, it did.
Nice on.
Should be able to get this one close here. Flat lion, not too much elevation change. He's got a bit of work for birdie.
Nice on.
All right. Oh my god, that was close. Man, if I'd hold my chip on 7, I'd be a lot happier about my position right now. Just hope for tailwind on 9. Oh my god. Well, that's tailwind, but jeez. This is going to be impossible to control. I think this is actually over the green. Or it's like 10 feet from the hole. Are you kidding me? Bruh, Phantom. I mean, yeah, you can't compete with that. That's what a shot. That was amazing. Oh, rip. Um, Shoot. Well, I have a putt, a chance, but I think it's GG. Phantom's probably gonna make his.
Nice on.
All right. We'll see. Nope.
Nice approach.
All right. Yeah, what can you say about that? That's just GG, the Phantom. That was a great shot. All right. And that's that. Yeah. Very, yeah, 9 is honestly the fact that Phantom shot 9 in those conditions is pretty crazy. Like, that's one off the server record. All right. Got the screenshot, and we'll post the results. All right, that was a fun tournament. Phantom definitely played amazing, so I can't really be too mad or sad about losing. All right. Thanks y'all for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.